The hard time of stacking certificates and degree verifications is over. It used to be very time-consuming, and if they were lost or damaged, the results couldn't be fixed. It's also possible that the responsible institution won't be around in a few years. Sharing these qualifications is also a huge job. Since these certifications are a real structure, let's look at the current details of Digibyte and figure out how it works. Because they worked hard and did everything right. Digimon is another name for Jared Tate. This new feature means that data related to trades will usually be put together on their own and not with the other data on the same block, which will make the speed of exchanges much faster. This kind of technology will be a big step forward in the world of payments, helping to speed up transactions in the global payment system. Digibyte will definitely bring extremist change to the cryptocurrency market. Digibyte has a lot of promise and is likely to be one of the most popular coins on the crypto market, mainly because of its local token, DGB, which will be worth a lot of money. High protection and speed at the exchange. What is not clear yet is how legislators, as a whole, think Digi is worth based on how it compares to other important tools. No big surprise, the digital money is made and kept up to date by a group of qualified analysts and cryptographers who are always changing. It wouldn't be too much of a stretch to say that the ability of Digibyte tokens to execute smart contracts and move assets is the most important factor that drives the price of Digibyte, along with the speed and cost of transactions, which allow for faster improvements and execution, leading to faster and safer transactions. Crypto resources are strong primarily because of the element that they are not controlled or besides subject to any overseeing body. Subsequently, they don't go under the domain of any prohibitive approaches or arrangements. Thus, Digibyte fans advocate that this stage is completely relying Bible. In the case of nothing else, individuals living in not really strong economies essentially have the influence in their grasp. Basically, they are in an ideal situation, placing their well-deserved cash into DGB than a mulling stock or bonds. With controlled world economies moving towards downturn, it has demonstrated certain that computerized monetary standards will govern the monetary realm. Unquestionably, Digibyte will be one of the most vital lords of this, while arising as a very powerful and dynamic power. DGB will be the pick and selection of financial backers, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance, and financial backers have found a variable of dependability implanted in this token. The steady rise in the price of Bitcoin may not have won the biggest digital currency grant, but it was a smart move. Investors have learned to believe that this resource will work and make all the difference for trade, just like other forms of electronic money. Digibyte is looked at from many different angles. The ongoing cost of DGB is $0, and at that price Digibyte can be a good buy with a good crypto grade in the long run. The market capitalization of Digibyte is $158 million. $119,791. What should be seen here is that the coin's value didn't change much when it first came out in 2014, and investors didn't have much hope for it. The boom time, or bull driving the Digibyte chase, really started in December 2017, when the resource rose to 12 cents. Giving it a market capitalization of more than $1.2 billion. In fact, Digibytes had the same quirk as most digital forms of money during this great time. This stage lasted until April 2018. When the Digibyte price went up to 4 cents, the DGB price change was over 188% in just a month. However, after that, the DGB coin regained its strength and saw huge growth, reaching an all-time high of 18 cents on May 1, 2021. Since then, the DGB price has fluctuated between highs and lows, and it is currently worth about $0. Expectations for Digibyte value. 2023 Digibyte has built a fast, solid business and focuses on the customer experience of its products. These things could help it get a much higher Digibyte price of 2 cents before the end of the year. If the push for practical crypto continues into 2023, the highest price of DGB will be around 2 cents, according to our Digibyte prediction. Digibyte price predictions for 2024. It's possible that Digibyte will be able to break through the 2 cents barrier and stay on the market until the end of 2024. The lowest Digibyte price will be 2 cents, and the highest price will be around 2 cents, according to our DGB price predictions for 2024. Digibyte price prediction for 2025. Digibyte is also involved in local drives because they keep putting in a lot of effort and getting good results. As far as market cap goes, their drive focusing on education efforts and improvements could take them to a whole new high of 3 cents. Based on our Digibyte cost prediction for 2025, Digibyte will cost 2 cents, which is its standard price. DGB value prediction for 2026. If all markets go up, the Digibyte price is going to break all records and do well, reaching a high of 4 cents. If the coin broke any rules north of 2026, as the Digibyte estimate suggests, it would definitely make a lot of money for its financial backers. The DGB price could go over 4 cents by the end of 2026. Digibyte predicts that the coin will see huge growth in 2027 and could reach another high. The average price of a Digibyte should be 4 cents. The lowest and highest DGB costs may be around 3 cents and 5 cents, respectively. Expectations for Digibyte value in 2028. According to the Digibyte future cost estimate, the cost of a Digibyte should go over 5 cents in 2028. The price of Digibyte is expected to be at least 4 cents. By the end of 2028, the most it could cost could be 6 cents. Digibyte estimates that by the end of 2029, the price of a Digibyte could hit 7 cents. Digibyte says that the lowest price for a DGB coin can be up to 6 cents and that the highest price may be around 8 cents. Digibyte's worth in 2030. In 2030, Digibyte is meant to bring about a big change. DGB price predictions say that by the end of 2030, it could be worth more than 9 cents. Digibyte's base price is expected to be around 7 cents, and DGB can reach a maximum price of 11 cents. Expectations about the value of cryptocurrency should keep coming true, especially if they are about Digibyte prediction. The hard truth is that no one can predict future prices exactly, especially in an industry as unstable as digital currency. Despite the fact that tight security standards and a high-level calculation play a very important role in affecting speculation, the main goal of the Digibyte group has been to make sure everything is clear and safe. Let's take a quick look at what experts have to say about DGB cost estimates.